Hey, Smoke, what made you flip out like that, man? Was it the drugs or what?
I got caught up in the money, the power. I don't give a shit. Oh, fuck, man.
Why you just didn't quit, man? We was like family, homie.
I had no choice. I had to do it. I just see the opportunity. Oh, when I'm gone, everyone gonna remember my name. Big Smoke. Oh.
Ah, damn, man. What a waste.
Where am I? What is this? Where am I?
Well, Big Smoke, you just died.
What? This can't be real.
Oh, it's real. Your greed and your power got the better of you. And your friend CJ killed you and left your corpse in an exploding building, so you're not going back to your Grand Theft Auto world.
Oh shit! What am I gonna do now?
Oh, don't worry. You have been what we call isekai'd, and you're going to be spending a new life here in this world called Trails of Cold Steel. Okay. Sounds like a pretty niche game. You might like it here. Start new, maybe become a better person. Well, we're about to arrive at the station pretty soon. Don't waste your new life. Hey! Hello, Mr. Big Smoke. We've been expecting you.
How so? How could that be possible?
You know, anime shenanigans and, also, people who've been getting killed have been showing up here lately.
Oh yeah, you mean, that isekai thing. I don't know what that shit is, but whatever.
Yeah.
And why does everything look so weird? Like it's from Dragon Ball or some shit.
What the hell's a Dragon Ball?
Huh.
Well, anyway, Mr. Big Smoke, welcome to Trista, where everyone does their main hangouts. Why don't we go have a drink at that bar right over there? And, have a good time.
Sounds good to me.
Let's go! Alright, bro. Order anything. Drinks and food are on me.
Awesome. Then I guess I'll have some chicken.
Chicken? What's a fried chicken?
Oh!
Wait, friend! Where are you going? Ouch! Hey,
What the
Mr.
fuck is this shit?
Hey, a fellow green guy! Wanna be buddies?
The fuck is this shit? What is this crazy world?
I just got transported here too. But I just wanted to get away from my ex-wife.
Alright,